Hi guys, today we're going to be making curry balls. Now our first step is to get 5 cloves of garlic, and now we're going to chop these up into small pieces and add them to a bowl. Next step is to slice a whole onion. Make sure to cut the head off, and then now we're going to slice them into small pieces as well. Add half of it to our 1/2 kilo of pork. Add in half of the garlic as well. And now tear up some pieces of bread for better texture and consistency. Add a squeeze of mustard, 2 teaspoons of curry, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of cumin, as well as 2 teaspoons of salt. Going to mix them up. And now we're going to add 1 whole egg to the mixture. We're going to scoop them and add them to our pan. Now we're going to be molding it into circles. Now oil your steamer and then add all of your curry balls in there. We're going to leave this in here for about 10 to 20 minutes. And now start working on the sauce. We're going to start by sauteing our onions and garlic. And we will now add our same seasonings as the meat, the cumin, turmeric, curry, and salt as well. We can add them to taste. Now we're going to add 16 ounces of coconut milk and start mixing it until it boils. Afterwards, we're going to blend it after for a better consistency. Now we're going to be plating. And that's it guys. This is how to make curry balls. Thank you for watching.